We're here with Kyle of Barrett Arms, and Kyle has a new MRAD rifle in .338 Lapua Magnum. Kyle, tell us about this bad boy.
This is Barrett's MRAD, which is the multi-role adaptive design. It's our modular configurable sniper rifle that we developed for the SOCOM PSR program. The rifle, as you see it, is in .338 Lapua. It is convertible to calibers such as 3 in Win Mag, 308. Got a folding stock, 30-minute Picatinny rail, 10-round polymer magazine, adjustable trigger. I can move the safety selector from one side to the other for either a left-handed shooter or those who like to shoot with a thumbs forward grip on this gun. I can remove the 2 bolts that you see underneath the receiver and actually pull the barrel out of the receiver, put a new barrel in, and I've changed barrels and reconfigured this gun in about 3 minutes. I can do that for simply changing the length of the barrel or as a caliber conversion. If I convert from, say, .338 Lapua to .308 Winchester 7.62 NATO, I can push 1 pin and change the bolt head as well. And it takes about 5 minutes total to reconfigure the gun.
That's pretty remarkable. Is this gun on the market already, or is it going to be released in a few months?
It's released at SHOT Show this week.
What's the retail MSRP on this?
MSRP is $6,000.
Does that include any special accessories? What about that suppressor?
It does not include the suppressor. It does include 3 accessory rails. You get 2 short, 1 long. Obviously the folding stock, as you see, all the adjustments that we have. 2 10-round magazines, Pelican hard sub case.
Kyle, hold that up a little bit higher and I'll get a detail shot. Tell us about this buttstock. It's got a lot of adjustments.
It does. I've got a single button length of pull adjustment in the back. I also have a folding mechanism that lets me lock the stock onto the bolt knob itself. The benefit of this is that it keeps the action closed when I'm transporting the gun. Rounds stay in, dirt stays out. Also, it keeps the gun, when folded, much thinner than on a gun where the stock folds to the opposite side. In that scenario, I would have the width of the bolt handle, the receiver, and the stock. This is a third, slimmer design like that. This is the gun that we developed for the SOCOM PSR program, the goal of which is to have a 1,500 meter modular multi-caliber sniper rifle. Many other requirements that they had: folding stock, length, weight, some capabilities. This is what we submitted. The gun, as you see it, is in .338 Lapua, 24.5-inch barrel in this model. This is a Gemtech suppressor today. The gun has an adjustable length of pull, folding buttstock that actually locks onto the bolt knob. The PSR program is specific in that they wanted the stock to fold for transport mode. The reason we chose to fold the stock to the ejection port side was to lock the bolt while the gun was being transported. That keeps the ammo in, the dirt out.
Good to go hot, guys.